we have here the hardware for software class, right? That's what it is, right? Yeah. And there's 4 teams. The teams are comprised of 2 or 3. I think we have 1 team 2, that's Vasily and Anastasia, because you guys are super troops, right? So, yeah, okay. So,
we'll see from our robots.
We'll see, yeah. So each of these teams, about halfway through, is given a robot. And I think it's safe to say that, you know, if you aren't in the class, the people in the class, a lot of them had no idea how electricity worked. Okay, so they completely wired the robot, except for the servos and so forth, completely configured it, did all the low-level programming, and really did quite a bit of work on these. The robots go out about halfway through the course, along with other assignments and projects as well. So you'll see that some of the robots have been tweaked. They're allowed to do certain kinds of modifications on their own. And the idea here is that these that they're doing now simulates a kind of search and rescue. So what we're rescuing this year are minions, right? So minions are to be rescued by the robots. It's fully autonomous. So the operation is started by the controllers, and the controllers in this case are the laptops. So you can see the status of what's going on the laptop, but there's also on-board status as well. So the kind of things I'm looking for is they get 3 runs. Each run can be up to 5 minutes. They have to demonstrate that they can give a start command, and that the robot will start. They have to be able to show onboard status. So there's several lights there. On the way out, the lights should be blinking red when it hasn't been found. Hold on a second. Yeah, red means the minion has not been found. A green blinking LED means it's been located but hasn't docked with it. And green is docked and they're returning back. Red blinking means that they haven't found a minion. If a minion's not found, it sends a command. It goes into the state of blinking red, sends a command back to the control center and says, I'm waiting for further instructions. So these are the basic things that they have to be able to demonstrate. They have to be able to at least rescue 1 minion without falling off the board in 5 minutes. It sounds easy, but it ain't. Okay? It's a challenge.
I have one.
Ma'am.
Захар,
Can we find
Захар.
1 minion? Get it
Замени,
to
если
the base, and after
хочешь.
that get lost.
Замени, если
5
хочешь.
minutes without falling
Yes,
out
you can.
of the board.
That is the absolute basic minimum requirements. There is, however, some extra credit. So extra credit for this kind of goes like this. There is the opportunity to earn extra credit for an abort command. Now it sounds simple, but an abort command is issued from the remote terminal, the remote controller, to a robot that is currently in any state in the mission. They have to be able to release the minion if they have it. If they haven't found the minion for whatever it is that they're doing, they have to drop what they're doing and return back to the home position. Right? That is an abort. Sounds easy, but the communication and control of the state is very, very tricky. The other one is pretty simple. It's called time trial. You get 5 minutes, and you can bring the most number of minions you bring back. The team that brings back the most gets the extra credit. There'll be no tricks played. There won't be 2 minions. There won't be 3. There'll just be 1 minion, and they go out and back, out and back, out and back as quickly as they can. The record is 12, not set by me. I got 11, but I never dropped a minion and I never got lost. The other team that got 12 did it on their 3rd try. Okay? Are there any questions about what we're going to do? Okay.
What about the speed run?
We thought it's a separate one.
It is separate. It is separate. You get 3 runs total. So you have to, in your 3 runs, make your basic requirements. So I advise every team to first make your basic requirements. And we have 3 teams. Teams Zuber, raise your hands. There they are. Smiling faces. These guys haven't slept in 3 days. Okay, Team Enco. Woo! Relax, you're okay. This guy gets a little too excited. Team Maverick. Over here. And team No Name back there.
No,
They got the robot with a whole bunch of eyes. Okay, so which one of you guys want to go first? Which team wants to do it first? Otherwise, I'll pick.
Go ahead.
Team, you guys want to go first?
It's easy to follow. Easy to follow.
Let's do it. Can I help you?
No name wants to go.
Не знаю, кстати.
See you guys later.
Run.
Hellfire rockets.
We
Yeah.
actually need people to move away from
Yeah.
the table
Yeah.
a little bit, just for safety.
Am I okay?
I don't know.
Like-
You're not even shaking.
Generally, yeah, but just close the lid.
It should only be like 3 years. This way we'll have extra time to tweak while the rest of the guys are
Они не наезжают?
While they are figuring their bad problems,
Кстати, видел
we're also
неожиданное падение?
fixing our bad
При этом
problems.
упал на трясу, на 4 восьмерки. Правда. Сплошных объект конструируется.
You're taking pics of me or the robot?
He's killing our batteries. He's killing our batteries. We do a battery powered laser.
He's cheating.
Too much I